yeah. It's a big one.
Like hello Fred, like do you like the fact that we're brothers now dude? Oh what the fuck dude?
Oh hello Shaggy, why so shocked? We're brothers now, we have no secrets, now do me a favor, please rub against my pee-pee.
Like hell no dude, just because we're adoptive brothers that doesn't mean I want to see your penis, now get out.
Fine, I am going to see my former roomie from jail.
Hello lovely sweetheart, you are so hot, don't mind me if I can stick my wood aisle inside your hole.
Watch it, I killed one son and almost kill my current, don't make me end your life you rapist.
Hey Fred's mother, you got a visitor.
Hey ex-roomie, I just decided that I disowned you.
You little bastard.